What's going on, Nine Gang? I'm back with another video. I hope y'all enjoying y'all day. Today is my birthday, and I got a little surprise for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm dropping back-to-back videos for this week. I'm grinding for y'all. I really hope y'all enjoy the video. We're almost at 200 subscribers. At 200 subscribers, I am giving away a free camera and a $50 Cash App giveaway. We're really close, Nine Gang. So, if you watch the video, just hit the subscribe button for me. You know what I'm saying? Help me out. But I'm cutting camera. I'm gonna give it to my brother house and got a little surprise for you.
Go ahead and pull these here up. Make sure you get up under this. Find me a good level spot. There we go. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's that popping though. That's what we want to hear. Because you gotta be real gentle with a lot of shit, brother. And you gonna see that. Uh-oh, that's the horn joke. There we go. There we go. See, because you want, like I tell everybody, when you working on people's shit, you don't want to just yank on shit. You want to finesse it. Take your time with it. Everything got a weak spot. Just like that. Bam! These right here, to the sides. Gotta pull them out. Now, every time I do these cars, bro, I put like the ports to this side, all on the door. The ports to the back, be on the back door.
That makes sense.
Ports to the front, something like get ready to go back together. I got everything basically where I want it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I won't have to look for screws and shit.
Yeah.
I ain't scared, brother. I'm gonna get in here and pull your shit. I'm gonna get in here and pull your shit, yank your shit, make your shit look broke. That's what my job is. Oh, hold on. Hold on, I'm snatching shit. Let me see what's in here. No screws in there.
Yeah, it should just pop down.
A lot of people scared to do that.
Yeah,
see,
I was too when I put the lights in.
If you scared to do that, you saw these right here still on there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull them out. Put these back on the tabs.
I had to
right
put it back on there when I did the lights.
See what I'm saying? If you scared to do shit like that, then you don't really work on cars. Like me, bad little man, I ain't scared. I yank on the shit, pull the shit. Oh, I'm gonna quit cussing. I don't know how you record me. I be recording. We're gonna take that screw. You see what I'm saying? Easy peasy. I'll tell you this shit now. You see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta take this off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you know that now.
Get the stars right there.
Yeah, we're gonna take that off. I can put it back on there though. I got shit now. I got me some new stuff I've been working with now. And like these right here, let me see. I'm gonna have to move, like some of the stuff I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna move it up off it so you can have some stars in some areas. Don't worry about it, it works out well. I did mine like that. It should be like that fine. Oh, here you go.
Appreciate you, bro.
But these charges and these challenges, I got it good because I already know how to take the headliners out. because I done already did mine. You know, I did one on Big Shirley too. Then on this side here, it's a harness. You see this harness right here? You gotta unplug this harness.
Oh yeah, I see it.
So remember that. A lot of people be taking the wire up here, which I don't know why they do that. I be like, why the fuck is you fucking up to do a car like that, bro? You don't have to do that shit, dude. So what up, crew? What y'all up to? You hanging out with your boy Bad Little Man? I'm telling you guys, I'm out here doing my thing, and my boy out here doing his thing too, man. He got the stars in the roof. He got the 500 stars going on in the roof, guys. I'm talking about he gonna be out there in the streets shining and twinkling. Yes, sir. Twinkle, twinkle, baby. Yes, sir. Twinkle, twinkle, little baby. That's what I'm talking about. I like when people take the time to want to fix up their ride and modify their ride, man. That's all right with me. And that's what your boy Bad Little Man here do. I modify rides, and if I can't do it, I'm gonna tell you that I can't do it. I ain't gonna be sitting around messing with your ride and not knowing what I'm doing. Can't do that there, guys. We ain't gonna fake it until we make it. We're gonna do it right. If you guys want to get a hold of me, y'all guys can hit me up at bad_little_man_56. I work for you too. You know what I'm talking about? You want the stars in your Challenger, Charger, Hellcat, Scat Pack, wide body, square body, fox body, don't matter. We get you going, man. We'll get you going. And don't bring no jacked up headliners up in here that's coming apart, falling apart, talking about you want some stars. No, you need to get your headliner checked first. Get your headliner checked. If you want to get a headliner with the stars in there, if you want to do the suede or whatever like that there, guys, then go on and get that done first before you bring it to me. Because, you know, I don't want you to get your suede game, but then you won't, putting out with stars ain't gonna work, guys. So get that done first, all right?
Somebody better get
That's the little ones back in here, guys. So I left a whole perfect good little skits right there for them. I was talking and engaging with your folks. So you might don't wanna speed that up. You might wanna slow it down, let Bad Little Man talk to him. I didn't talk. I talk to the people. Let us know how you finna get this ride going, man. Finna put the stars on. Get you some feelings out there.
6 hours later.
Alright, Night Game. I hope you enjoyed that video. Look at the stars. Our bro Bad Little Man did his thing. Me and him worked all morning. It came out wonderful. I love it. We one more subscriber away from 200 subscribers. 200 subscribers. I'm giving away a free camera and a $50 cash out giveaway. I was messed up there, but I hope y'all enjoyed the content. I still got some more stuff coming for y'all. I mean, look at this. It looks so good. But it's your boy DZ checking out the video.